Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best stepper machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to burn calories, tone your muscles, or just get a great cardio workout at home, these steppers are sure to impress. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the hydraulic fitness stepper from Aliexpress. This budget-friendly option is priced at just $36.99, making it the most affordable choice on our list. Despite its lower price point, it delivers solid performance for those looking to start their fitness journey without breaking the bank. The stepper features a multifunctional LCD display that tracks your steps, time, and calories, helping you stay on top of your fitness goals. It comes with detachable resistance bands, allowing you to target over 20 core muscle groups. The adjustable height knob lets you customize your workout intensity, whether you're going for short bursts or longer strides. In terms of design, the Aliexpress stepper is built with alloy steel and includes broad anti-slip pedals for a secure workout experience. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to move and store. However, its hydraulic system is less refined compared to higher-end models, and some users report minor noise during operation. Overall, this is a great entry-level stepper for beginners or casual users, but advanced fitness enthusiasts may want to consider other options. Pros include affordability, compact design, and decent functionality, but the cons are limited resistance and slightly lower build quality. At number 4, we have the Mini Twist Stepper by Aliexpress. This stepper introduces a unique twist motion that helps engage your glutes and core muscles more effectively compared to standard steppers. Priced at $47.49, it offers a premium feel while still being accessible for most budgets. The silent dual hydraulic system ensures smooth and quiet operation, making it ideal for home use without disturbing others. The adjustable step height feature allows you to tailor your workout intensity, whether you're aiming for low-impact cardio or a higher calorie burn. The LCD monitor provides real-time feedback on key metrics like step count, workout time, and calories burned. In terms of build quality, the Aliexpress stepper is crafted from stainless steel with a stable structure supporting up to 330 pounds. It's equipped with anti-slip pedals and features a compact design that doesn't take up much space. While the twist motion is a great bonus for targeting specific muscle groups, it may not be suitable for those with knee sensitivities. Additionally, some users have noted that the resistance bands included are not as durable as the machine itself. Overall, it's a solid choice for users seeking variety in their workouts. Pros include quiet operation and glute-focused functionality, while cons are limited durability for accessories. Taking the number 3 spot is the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper. This popular model is priced at $45.04 and comes with a reputation for reliability backed by over 30,000 reviews. It's a well-rounded stepper designed for users who want a versatile and compact machine for their home workouts. Key features include a high-resistance hydraulic system for challenging cardio sessions, a height adjustment knob to customize workout intensity, and removable resistance bands for full-body exercises. The LCD monitor tracks your steps, time, and calories burned, helping you stay motivated and informed. The Sunny Mini Stepper is built with commercial-grade alloy steel and supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring durability and stability during use. It's ultra-quiet, making it suitable for use anytime without disturbing others in your household. It comes fully assembled, ready to use right out of the box. However, it's worth noting that while the machine offers excellent performance, its compact size may not be ideal for users with larger feet or those seeking a wider range of motion. Overall, this stepper is a fantastic mid-range option for users who want a balance of affordability, quality, and functionality. Pros include quiet operation, robust build quality, and adjustable intensity, while cons include limited stride length. Coming in at number 2 is the Nice Day Mini Stair Stepper, priced at $47.99. This stepper is designed for users who prioritize quiet, high-resistance workouts with versatile features. The silent silicone cushioning pad ensures ultra-quiet operation, making it ideal for families or shared living spaces. Its hydraulic system provides consistent resistance for up to 30 minutes, gradually tapering off to maintain cardio effectiveness. With adjustable stride height, removable resistance bands, and a compact design, this stepper is perfect for full-body workouts or targeted muscle toning. The Nice Day stepper boasts a strong alloy steel frame with a weight capacity of 300 pounds, ensuring stability and durability. The LCD monitor tracks essential metrics like step count, time, and calories burned, helping you stay on top of your fitness goals. Unlike some other models, this stepper is ready to use right out of the box and is easy to store thanks to its small footprint. While the machine itself is highly durable, some users have mentioned that the resistance bands could be improved in quality. Overall, this is a premium choice for dedicated home fitness enthusiasts. Pros include quiet operation, robust build quality, and excellent resistance, while cons are limited durability for accessories and a slightly higher price point. Finally, at number 1, we have the Sports Royal Stair Stepper, priced at $47.99. This stepper stands out as the premium option for its superior build quality, high resistance, and thoughtful design features. With a weight capacity of 330 pounds and a frame made from 1.5mm commercial-grade steel, this stepper is exceptionally durable and stable. The dual hydraulic cylinder system ensures smooth, quiet operation with consistent resistance, making it perfect for intense cardio sessions or longer workouts. The adjustable step height and removable resistance bands allow for a customizable full-body workout, whether you're targeting your glutes, legs, or upper body. The Sports Royal stepper is compact yet powerful, allowing you to use it in any room without taking up much space. The LCD monitor tracks key metrics like steps, time, and calories burned, letting you monitor your progress with ease. While it's slightly heavier than other models, this weight adds to its stability during use. Some users note that the resistance bands could be more durable, but this is a minor drawback considering the machine's overall quality. This stepper is perfect for fitness enthusiasts who want top-tier performance and lasting durability. Pros include robust build quality, quiet operation, and high resistance, while cons are slightly heavier weight and less durable accessories. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.